Today I'm going to talk about a side hustle that can make you over $1,000 a day, and all of this can be done with a simple click of a button. The whole process will pretty much be all automated, and the best part is that you will earn passive income so you can make money even while you're sleeping. I recently found a new AI tool called InVideo AI, and essentially this tool allows you to type in a simple sentence and it then turns that simple sentence into a full-blown faceless YouTube video. Now there are so many faceless YouTube channels that are earning thousands and thousands every single day. Let me show you some examples. So you have channels just like this, Monetization, which is a motivational faceless YouTube channel, and as you can see in the last 30 days they got 8.24 million views. Now if we go onto Social Blade, we can see how much this channel is actually making, and if you have a look, they're making around $22,000 every single month. And here's another YouTube channel called Top 5s, and they've averaged around 11 million views in the last 30 days. Again, if we go onto something called Social Blade estimates that they earn around $28,000 a month, which equates to around $340,000 a year. Here's another example, and another one, and another one. And as you can see, there are countless YouTube channels just like these. And if we have a look at this channel and see one of their videos,
imagine dark labyrinths, deep underground. They're full of hidden dangers and unexpected discoveries. Get your flashlight and let me take you on a tour of the spookiest caves of all time.
you can see it's an extremely simple video with just B-roll footage and a voiceover. So today I'll go through step by step on how to use InVideo AI. So you can also make as much as $30,000 every month. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to sign up to InVideo AI using my link below in the description or in the pinned comment. Once you click my link, you'll be presented with a screen like this, and then you just sign up using your email address and creating a password. And then once you sign up, you'll see this screen. You'll have a text box here and some different options. And if you have a look over here where it says select workflow, if we click on that, it will then give you 4 options. So you've got YouTube Shorts, YouTube Explainer, Recent Events Video, and Script to Video. So for the example that we're going to create, we're going to go on to YouTube Explainer. Once you click on that, you'll see there are a few more options, and you'll see here where it says create a blank YouTube video about. And basically when you click on this drop down menu, you can choose the length of the video. Now you've got 15 seconds, 30 seconds, all the way up to about 15 minutes. Now I tend to make YouTube videos around 10 minutes, so I'm going to select 10 minutes here. Now the next box allows you to type in the topic that you're going to make the YouTube video about. Now over here I can type in something like make me a video about a scary story, and it will make a very good video around it. This is what the AI came up with.
Ever wondered what lurks in the shadows when we're fast asleep? Meet our protagonist, a night security guard tasked with the unenviable job of patrolling an ancient museum, a place teeming with relics of a bygone era. Each night he embarks on a solitary walk, his only companions being the silent, watchful eyes of the myriad artifacts that line the halls. From the Egyptian mummies, their faces forever locked in a silent scream, to the centuries-old paintings, their subject's eyes seemingly following his every move.
Now as you can see, the video turned out pretty good with just a simple instruction. However, what we are going to do is add descriptive prompts so we can get a video made exactly to our liking. So I'll type in something like make me a video about a spooky true story involving a haunted house. So by doing this, I'm giving it more information so it will make a video exactly how I want it to. Now this other box over here where it says optional creative directions, over here you can type in extra creative directions that you want it to go towards. So over here I'll type in something like build up suspense. The next option asks you what type of background music you'd like. So I'm going to type in something like scary haunted music. And then if you go below over here where it says use any gender, I'm going to select a male, and I'm going to select a old husky British voice. I'm then going to leave where it says use iStock normally and then click continue. I'm then going to click generate a video. Now the AI is analyzing the prompt that I've given it. It will then come up with a title, and it will then start preparing to make the video. Now before it starts making the video, you'll be presented with these kind of options. So as it understands the prompt, it will then ask me what type of audience I want to cater towards. So either horror fans, ghost story enthusiasts, or mystery lovers. I'm going to go with horror fans. The next one is look and feel. I'm going to go with dramatic, and then the platform will be YouTube. I'll then click continue. So the AI will now start creating the video, and this can take around 3 to 4 minutes, and this is what the AI came up with.
In the heart of the English countryside, shrouded by the mist and time, stood an old mansion known by locals as the Spectre House. Its imposing silhouette loomed over the landscape, a haunting monument to a time long past. The mansion, weathered and worn by the elements, was more than just an old building. It was a character in its own right, a spectre of the past that refused to be forgotten. The Spectre house was not your typical English manor. Its eerie appearance sent a chill down the spine of even the bravest souls.
So as you can see, the video turned out to be really good, and it made it exactly to the prompt that I gave it. Also guys, if you are enjoying the video so far, make sure you smash that subscribe button, as I've got a lot more ways to make money online. Now what's cool about InVideo AI is that if there's something you don't like about the video, or if there's multiple things you don't like about the video, there's a few things that you can do. Now if you didn't like the video at all and you wanted it to generate a whole new video, all you've got to do is go right down over here where it says regenerate, and that will regenerate a whole new video for you. If there's other changes that you want to make, you just let AI know what you want to change. So let's go over here, and let's say we wanted to add subtitles. So all we do is type in this box over here and put add subtitles. Then all we do is click on generate. What that will now do is add subtitles to your video. So give it a few minutes and it will add subtitles to the video, and this is what it comes up with.
In the heart of the English countryside, shrouded by the mist and
As you can see now that there are subtitles on the video. Now there's other ways we can do changes as well. So if we go on over here where it says edit, you can see over here the different stock footage that were used and the corresponding text for that media. So as you can see, whenever I click on a different video, the corresponding text changes. So over here we can decide to change any of these videos. So let's say we wanted to change this media over here. So all we do is highlight the media, and I'll come here over where it says search, and I might type in something like old mansion, and then what I'll do is click enter, and I'll replace that particular video with this video over here. All I would do is click on this video where it says replace, and then click at the bottom where it says apply. And now the AI will replace that part of the video, and that will change it to the video that I selected. Now another cool thing you can do is you can edit the script. So if we go over here where it says edit script, and over here you can see the script itself. And if you go on the script, you can change anything you want. For example, you can delete parts of the text, change the text, or add some extra text in there. Now what's cool with AI is that AI will adapt your video based around what you've done. So you don't need to do any extra editing or anything else. The AI will figure it all out for you. Now there's another thing. If you click on over here, these are keywords that the AI uses to figure out what type of video to put in the scene. So as you can see in the first line, it shows old mansion in misty countryside, eerie silhouette of a haunted house, weathered mansion with a haunting presence. So based on these keywords, the AI was able to come up with this as the B-roll. Now what's cool about this as well is that you can change this to something completely different, and it will match it with a corresponding media. So let's say I change this and type in something like old mansion at night in a scary atmosphere. Once I click that, apply the changes, it will then change the first scene for me. Now as you can see, it changed the video to this. So once you're happy with the video, all you've got to do is click on where it says export, and then just click on export video. Over here you can export the video, and you've got different settings when you export it. Then once you export the video, you can then upload that video onto YouTube, and you can then start making money through AdSense, as well as adding affiliate links in the description. Now guys, this program is extremely advanced, so I know the first question that's going to come to everyone's mind is this program free to use? Yes, it is free, but not exactly free. There is a free plan. However, when you go on the free plan and make a video, when you export your video, it will be extremely low resolution, and it will have this watermark in the bottom right of your video. Now if you don't want that guys, I'd recommend going for the plus plan, which is only $20 a month. When you go on the plus plan, you can then download in 1080p with no watermark. Now I know guys, you're thinking that you don't want to spend money, but hear me out. Now honestly guys, this program can easily make you over $1,000 a day. That's why in my opinion it's worth spending $20 a month, because if you think about it, if you were to pay an editor to make this video for you, a video would cost you around $100, including the voiceover, the script, and the b-rolls. And it would take the editor a few days to make that video. Whereas with InVideo AI, not only is it cheaper, but it will make a video for you in a matter of minutes. Hence why it's better to go with the plus plan, which is what I made this video with, as that will allow you to make high quality videos which you can then earn a lot of money with. And because InVideo AI can make a video in a matter of 3 to 4 minutes, this literally won't take much time of your day. So if you are uploading videos, make sure you stay consistent with it, create new videos with AI, and constantly upload every week. Now you can also make money through InVideo AI using YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. If you want a full step-by-step video on how to do that, make sure you drop it down in the comments below. But that's the video there guys. Thanks very much for watching. Make sure you share, subscribe, and like, and we'll catch you guys for another video.